So what you do is you go to your WhatsApp and then go to the three dots at the top. And once you tap on those three dots, you go down to settings. Once you go to settings, you're going to go to accounts. When you click on accounts, then you're going to tap on two-step verification. You're going to go right below and click on turn on two-step verification. Once you go there, you're going to have to put your PIN, create a new PIN, 6-digit PIN. It's going to ask you to enter it the second time just to confirm the PIN. Once you save, it's going to give you an option to enter in your email, to provide your email that can help during account recovery. Or if in case you forget your PIN, you can be able to go back there and change your PIN. And then once you do that, it's going to send a verification code to that email to verify that email. Get that verification code and type it in. Once you type the verification code in, click on verify. On your screen, you can then see that two-step verification is turned on, and it will be saying that you should turn it off. Don't turn it off. And you also see change PIN below in case you need to change your PIN.